guys, what's up? Welcome to this week's episode of Adapting the Outdoors. We're out here in my buddy's pond, but as you can see, it's not our usual spot. I've got my buddy Corey over on a boat messing around.
In my flippy floppy.
And we're actually catching crappies. Speak of the devil, hang on a second. Ah! Trying to catch crappies anyway. It's a friggin' warm day, so we decided instead of standing out in the open sunlight, we would come over here to the dock and try to stay cool. Holy cow, look at the size of this one, Corey.
I can't see if there's, oh, nice.
Ooh, nice, Corey. Very nice.
I'll let you do that first.
We've had a couple close calls today, so he's a little bit gun shy.
Go.
Hey, you're pretty good with a welder, aren't you?
I mean, I wouldn't say pretty good. I'm proficient enough.
We should soup up my electric wheelchair.
That'd be kind of in your mouth. Get it more close.
What? What?
It's on the roof.
And the cool thing about fishing private ponds like this, Corey, is there is no limit to the number of fish you can catch and keep. And there's no size limit either.
Yeah.
So we're actually doing, like I was telling you earlier, this pond is overpopulated. So we're actually doing a good thing for the farmer by getting some of these smaller fish out of here.
Wow. You and I both.
Ow! Unless I start catching some really impressive ones, I'm done keeping for now. Have to see how many we end up catching. See if we can beat. A couple weeks ago, Buddy and I came out here, and between the two of us, caught 102.
I don't think we're gonna do that.
In about about a 3-hour period, I think.
My God. And you guys were on the bank too.
Yeah.
Was it in the evening?
Yeah.
Nice.
It was about.
Well, this thing was overstocked.
Yeah.
Not till you let Nathan get through it.
And then everybody gives me crap about keeping small fish. Well, it's places like this.
Oh, that was a decent little guy.
Places like this give me reason why.
Yeah. Well, and it apparently, I say apparently because I don't know. Well, you know, I'm not going to catch much with that one.
Yeah.
Oh. You think that one's still stuck on that pole out there?
Huh?
You think that one's still stuck on that pole out there?
I don't know. It might be.
If it is, I'm going to hop on the boat and scoot over there. Oh. Yeah, I thought I was stuck on a log. That thing was pulling. It had so much tension on there.
That was a nice bass too.
What's that?
If it was what I think it was, that was a nice bass.
That was phenomenal. I'm like pumped right now.
Told you it gets addicting. You sure you gotta leave by 5?
What about this bugger that was sitting over there? What about this thing?
You can try it. That's the same concept. Throw it out, retrieve it.
Oh my gosh. That thing was enormous. So if that happens next time, should we use the net that's over there?
Yes.
Okay.